Security guards play a crucial role during the holiday season by ensuring safety and security in crowded spaces like shopping centers, events, and public venues. Theft during the holiday season involves the unlawful taking of goods or belongings, often heightened by increased shopping activity, crowded stores, and distracted individuals. As a security officer, your post instructions may require you to inspect holiday decorations for potential safety hazards, such as the electrical cords and flammable materials. Any hazards found would you require to notify the customer and your supervisor immediately. Security guard helps to manage security for special holiday events by coordinating crowd control, monitoring entry points, and ensuring the safety of attendees and property. Security is often scheduled to help manage large lines for sales, special promotions, or events like Santa meet and greets to help prevent disruptions or conflicts. These situations can often cause stress-related incidents among people. During the holiday season, security guards play a crucial role in crowd management by ensuring orderly movement and preventing overcrowding in busy areas like shopping centers and holiday events, both indoor and outdoor. Being visible and approachable for assistance is crucial for security officers, especially during the holiday seasons. As a security officer, you will be approached many times asking for directions or information about store locations, exits, restrooms, or parking areas. You may be asked these questions a lot, but always remain professional and friendly. Observe guests for signs of overintoxication and working with bartenders to limit alcohol service when necessary. Keep an eye on valuable property such as equipment, gifts, or personal belongings to help prevent theft or damage. Security guards must be prepared for various weather conditions to ensure safety and maintain their duties effectively. We want to remind you of the crucial role you play in creating a safe holiday environment. Your visible presence helps prevent incidents such as theft and vandalism, while your skills in crowd management ensure orderly conduct and prevent overcrowding.